Hello everyone! This is gonna be like a really random video. As you can tell, my hair is completely wet right now. I did my makeup and I washed my hair, and I thought it would be really interesting if I made a video about diffusing my hair. I've been wanting to diffuse my hair for the longest time. I have a diffuser, but I bought it a long time ago and then I just never really used it. And I remember that one time that I used it, it actually worked really well and it made my hair super curly. I really liked the results, but I haven't done it ever since. My hair when I was a little girl was really curly. I don't even know if I consider my hair curly or wavy at this point. When I was in middle school, I started straightening my hair every single day. It totally messed up my hair. I feel like after, my hair was just not curly nor straight. I feel like it wasn't even wavy. It was just like weird. And then when I tried to gain my curls back, it just wasn't working. Like my hair was like wavy but not really. It was just really damaged. A couple of months ago my hair used to be super long and it was curlier than what it is now. I decided to cut my hair and then I added some color. I don't know if it's noticeable right now because it's super wet. I noticed that when I added some color, my hair also didn't curl as much. I don't have a lot of color like in the back of my hair, and I noticed that this hair gets really curly, but then this hairs at the front are just wavy. I don't know what I consider my hair. I don't know if I consider my hair curly or wavy. A lot of people tell me it's curly, a lot of people tell me it's wavy. I don't really know. All I know that when I diffuse my hair, it gets curlier than usual or wavier than usual. I'm gonna start diffusing my hair and let's see how that goes. Before I start, I want to say that I don't have the best tools. I don't tend to blow dry my hair a lot, so I have like this really cheap blow dryer, and then I have the diffuser that I got at Sally's. It's like one size fits all. It's supposed to apparently fit every single blow dryer. Doesn't really fit mine very well, but it still does the job. I'm still gonna use it. So this is kind of like what the diffuser looks like when you put it together. Okay, so this is what I'm gonna be using to comb my hair. I'm just gonna use a towel and I'm just gonna dry my hair, or try to dry my hair. After I sort of dried my hair, I'm going to be using a conditioner. This one works really good for me when it comes down to me getting like my curls out, and it's the Twisted Sister. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna add a little bit more, and I'm just gonna go ahead and scrunch my hair up after this. How my hair looks like right now. I feel like the product did help, and as I keep scrunching my hair, it keeps getting a little curlier. Okay, so now I'm gonna start diffusing my hair. I have no idea how this is gonna turn out, but we'll find out. And yeah, I'm excited to start diffusing my hair, and I'm definitely gonna be using hot air. I used to watch a lot of videos about girls diffusing their hair, and I've heard that there is this trick where you turn it on, you diffuse the hair, or you try to dry the hair, then you turn it off and then you let it go, and then you continue doing the same thing over and over. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. So yeah, let's continue. I actually do see a difference right now and I'm getting really excited. My hair is starting to look shorter. Can't wait to style it. This side is a lot shorter than this one, and obviously this one is the diffuse side. I feel like it has more volume. Now I'm gonna go ahead and diffuse this side. Okay, so this is how my hair looks like right now. I honestly really like it. I feel like I haven't seen my hair this curly in a while. I will continue to diffuse my hair because it's not completely dry. Then I'm gonna style it. I really like it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and add some earrings so I can add like that last touch. I don't know if you can tell, but I'm actually really happy with the results. I was skeptical. I didn't know if this was actually gonna work because my hair is so short. It has color, and I just thought like it wasn't gonna be curly, and I also don't have layers. But so far so good. I think that's everything for today's video. This was so random. I really wanted to try it and I thought, why not film it? And I'm happy I did it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. yeah. That Mexican candy. Diffuse my hair, it gets curlier than usual. My chair is so sticky. I need to get a new chair.